This is Saraswati. I'm a certified fitness trainer and dietitian. Today I came up with the topic popping sound in the knee. Before going to the topic, I would like to give you one small example. When you bend your finger and press it hard, so you don't get any popping sound initially, but every day once you keep doing this, you will get popping sound, right? So when you bend hard, when you bend here, in between the joints, gap comes. In that gap, air get accumulates, and then that leads to the popping sound. Now the same thing implies with your knees also. Whoever sit down for a longer time by bending their knees, by folding their legs, and then people who sits on the bed by folding their leg for hours, they'll sit and do the computer works, laptop works and all. So for them also the chances of getting this popping sound would be more. I tell you, obviously the same implies when they sit for longer time, the gap comes between their knee joints, and then air accumulates, and then it leads to the popping sound. Now, currently they won't be having any issues now. There is no need to worry at all. But in future, your cartilages are going to get damaged. I'll tell you how. See, when the two joints are closer, whenever you do jumps, whenever you do walk or jerks and all, the pressure won't be much. When it is closer, the pressure won't be much on your cartilages. But when there is a gap between the joints, when you jump or when you do some jerks or something, even for at a certain age, even for walk also, you will get your cartilage get damaged because of this gap. See, when it's getting harder, it's right. So because of this harder hit, this cartilage get damaged. So to avoid that in future, you need to rectify your postures now itself. And adding to that, first thing you need to rectify your postures. Long time you are not supposed to sit in that. I am not telling you to not to sit, but you have to sit in the cross legs down and all, but not for a longer time. And plus we need to do one exercise also. I'll show you now. Okay, now I'm going to show you the exercise which helps you to overcome these popping sounds and all. See, every problem will have one key exercises. If you able to catch up that key exercises, it's become very easy and fast to get rid of that problem. Now I'm going to show you that exercise only. Sit at the corner of the chair, little corner of the chair. Keep your toe in, knee lock, lift your leg up, squeeze your knee tight, hold there for 20 seconds. And bring it back. Again, squeeze and bring it back. 20 seconds into 3 sets, and again change the other leg. Morning, at least 3 times in a day try to do, and every day you have to do for at least for 2 months. And in these 2 months, just avoid this kind of sitting here and folding the knees like this. This is also wrong. These kind of things only you are not supposed to do. When you are sitting for a longer time at one place, you should be conscious of how you are sitting. That is very important. Okay. If you have any other issues also, let me know. I'll make video on that also. And please subscribe my channel. I'll come up with more videos like this. Thank you.